How to fix your PC device need to be repaired error in Windows. UEFI would not boot error in Windows. For this first step, disconnect external device, turn off your PC, disconnect all external device you plugged in. If it's not working means move on with next step. First restart your PC. Press and hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds until the PC turn off. Wait few seconds, turn your device on. If still it's not working means move on with next step. Run system file checker, search for CMD, click run as administrative and type the following text. SFC space slash scan now. Click enter and wait for some time. It's actually verifying your files in your device. If there is any corrupted file having means it will remove it. Once complete after it will throw up the message. If there is any corrupted file having means it will shows the destination also. If there is no corrupted file having means it will shows like this. There is no corrupted file. After exit it and move on with next step. Reset Windows. For this click settings. Click system settings. Scroll down. Click recovery settings. Click it. You have seen the reset this PC is there. Click it. Once clicking after the pop-up will appear. Depends on you. You can choose the option keep my file or remove everything. I go with keep my file. And the additional settings restore apps and settings which come with this PC. It depends on you. You can check and change it. After click next. And you need to turn on the power. And wait for some time. Click reset. Check one time and click reset. Thank you.